Hi, in this video we'll be adding a second spell checker to Google Chrome. So first we open Chrome, and one of the things Chrome needs for a spell checker to work is a user profile. So if you don't have a user profile and your name isn't written here, you have to click Add, choose an icon for yourself, and write a name. Once we have a profile set up, we can start using a spell checker. So let's go to a website where we can write something. And here I'm writing in Danish, "Hi, my name is Adam." And we can see that the Danish language is not in the spell checker. So we right click, go down to Spellcheck and Language Settings. On this screen, we press the little down arrow to add a language, and in this case, Danish, DA. Check it and add. We scroll down, and I like to turn on the enhanced spell check, and also be sure to turn on the Danish spell checker. When we go back to our text and press enter, we can see the Danish spell check now works. It can also check for English. Now it's important in Chrome to make sure you have a name on your profile. It may be a bug or it might not be, but without your own profile, it won't work.